Today, I'm going to show you how to generate a label for a single order in the Ordoro platform. What we want to do is select a single order that is in awaiting fulfillment. For that order, you can select one of the carriers that you have integrated into the system. In this instance, we're going to select USPS. You can then select your package type, and then you can select the method and rate in which you like to use. In this instance, we're going to select Ground Advantage. Once your weights and dimensions are confirmed, you can select Create Label. And within this modal, you're going to have the ability to not only create the label, but also generate a packing list and a pick list. Select View Print. And here we will present three different documents. First, the label that you will place on the package, the packing slip that will go inside the package, and the pick list, which you can use to go grab the items from your warehouse for that package. Upon generating that label, we will go back to the order and you will notice that we put all of that label information on the order in Ordoro. From there, Ordoro will write back this information to the originating sales channel, in this instance, Shopify, and let the customer know that it's on its way.